This video teaches you how to create your own symbols and add them to Microsoft Word. Open Start. Type in EUD-SEEDIT. This is the code you'll need to locate Private Character Editor since the program doesn't have a built-in shortcut. Click EUD-SEEDIT. This will open the Private Character Editor program. Select a space for your symbol. Click one of the grid squares in the window. Click OK. Draw your symbol. Click and drag your mouse around the window to draw. You can select different drawing tools in the left-hand side of the window to change the drawing style. If you make a mistake, you can undo it by pressing Ctrl+Z or by using the eraser tool in the bottom left side of the window. You can use an existing symbol as your base by clicking Edit, clicking Copy Character, selecting a character, and clicking OK. Save your symbol. Click the Edit menu, then click Save Character. The symbol is now installed on your system. Open Character Map. Click Start. Type in Character Map. The Character Map program keeps track of all available symbols on your system. Click the Font drop-down box. Click All Fonts, Private Characters. Doing so will display a list of your created symbols. Insert your symbol into a Microsoft Word document. Click the symbol to select it, click Select, click Copy, and then open the Microsoft Word document and paste in the symbol by pressing Ctrl+V. Your symbol may not be large enough or bold enough to be easily visible in Word. You can change that by selecting the symbol and raising the font size to the appropriate level. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.